In this video, I'm going to fully explain to you exactly what cash envelope stuffing is. Hey, it's Dineshan. Welcome to my channel where I help you make money online, save your money, and invest your money. So let's jump straight into it. Cash envelope stuffing is not new. It's been around for decades. Yet some people still don't know what it is. To be honest with you, even I didn't know exactly what this was. However, I did my research and I'm glad to share this information with you today. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'll also share with you 3 reasons why you should be using the cash envelope stuffing method to help you control your spending and save money. And who doesn't love saving money, right? So let's begin. Cash envelope stuffing allows you to track exactly how much money you have in each budget category for the month by stuffing cash in envelopes. A budget category could be food, utilities, gas, entertainment, and so on. At the end of the month, you can see how much cash is left by looking inside your envelope. How simple is that? To be honest with you, I never really kept a monthly budget because they looked boring. But this method actually sounds like fun. Who knew budgeting could be fun? If you're always going overboard in a certain category, for instance food, then cash out the amount you've budgeted for and stick to it. The cash envelope stuffing system will make you stop overspending. How cool is that? You know what else is cool? Clicking that like button if you're getting value out of this video. So, as promised, here are 3 reasons why you should be using the cash envelope stuffing method to help you control your spending and save money. Number 1. Cash envelope stuffing helps you become more disciplined with your money. I think we all need that, don't you? I know I do. Once your envelope full of cash is empty, that's it, it's gone. You can't get extra money from the ATM. You simply have no more money for that category. When you first start using cash envelopes, you may feel like you have plenty of money at the beginning of each period, so you spend freely, and pretty soon you find yourself with empty cash envelopes waiting impatiently for payday. This will force you to be disciplined. You have no other option. Number 2. Cash envelopes are visual. If you are a visual learner, you will really benefit from doing cash envelope stuffing. Watching your cash go from bank to envelope to hand and then to store is very humbling. It shows how quickly you spend money and how fast the cash goes. For some reason, it's easy to swipe a credit card, but it's very hard to visually watch cash leave your hand. Anyone else agree? Number 3. Cash envelopes are a proven system. The cash envelope method has been used by hundreds of thousands of people for decades, and it's still popular. Why? Because it works. I've read a number of stories of people who have seen success while spending with cash, who have gotten out of debt and grew their savings, all because they implemented cash envelopes. If you love this video, then consider subscribing for similar content. Thanks for watching and see you later.